Welcome, fellow seekers of truth. Today, we're going on a journey of self-discovery and cosmic understanding. Inspired by the ancient wisdom of know thyself, we'll explore the profound connection between understanding ourselves and unlocking the secrets of the universe and the gods. We'll also delve into the concept of the absolute, as presented by the philosopher Georg Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel. Are you ready to unveil the divine within you? Let's begin. Section 1. The power of knowing thyself. The phrase, know thyself, dates back to ancient Greece and has been attributed to various philosophers, including Socrates and Plato. It emphasizes the importance of self-awareness in order to attain wisdom and enlightenment. By knowing ourselves, we can begin to understand the world around us and our place within it. Section 2. The absolute and Hegel's philosophy. Hegel, a German philosopher, introduced the concept of the absolute, which can be understood as the ultimate reality or truth of existence. According to Hegel, the absolute is a dynamic and ever-evolving process in which the universe continually strives for self-awareness and self-realization. This concept aligns with the idea that as we come to know ourselves, we also come to know the universe and the gods. Section 3. We are the eyes and ears of the divine. When we truly know ourselves, we begin to recognize that we are the experiencers of the divine. We are the eyes and ears through which the universe observes and understands itself. As we grow in self-awareness, we also grow in our connection to the divine, bridging the gap between the human and the cosmic. Section 4. The journey of self-discovery. Embarking on the journey of self-discovery is not an easy task, but it is one that leads to profound understanding and inner peace. Through practices such as meditation, introspection, and mindfulness, we can begin to unravel the layers of our identity, peeling back the veil that separates us from the divine. Section 5. The ultimate truth of existence. As we deepen our self-awareness and grow in our understanding of the universe, we come closer to the ultimate truth of existence. By knowing ourselves, we unlock the door to cosmic wisdom and divine connection, realizing that we are not separate from the universe, but rather an integral part of it. And there you have it, fellow truth seekers. The ancient wisdom of know thyself holds the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe and the gods. As we embark on our journey of self-discovery and delve into the profound philosophy of Hegel, we can begin to unveil the divine within us and uncover the ultimate truth of existence. Remember, you are the eyes and ears of the divine, and by knowing yourself, you shall know the universe and the gods. Until next time, keep seeking the truth and exploring the depths of your own being. Namaste.